otherwise sorted. The given matrix is here sorted matrix. Okay, so the input is given as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Suppose we need to give an x here element search. We need to search the phi in the matrix, given matrix. So phi. So this is the given matrix is sorted matrix, right? I can say. So if this is a sorted matrix, I need to search phi. If phi is exist, then return the true. So what is the naive approach for this? Naive approach, we can say like traverse through whole matrix, and if element is found, return true. So traverse through whole matrix from 0 to n, and again from 0 to m, and if element is if x equals mat of I comma j, return true, otherwise return false. So this approach will gonna work, yes or no?
Yes, bro.
Yes, right. We are just traversing through whole matrix and returning the element. So what will the time complexity will be this for this O of n cross m?
Max.
And space will be gonna equal to O of 1. So here O of n cross m is there, so we need to optimize this, optimize the approach. So let's see the expected approach. Expected approach. What is the expected approach? So the given matrix is a sorted matrix. So I can say if my given element is greater than, I will gonna search from the last if it is sorted, right? So I will search in this row, in this row, in this row. I will gonna search through all the rows. Suppose now 5 is there. I will say if my 5 is greater than 3. So can I move the row, because no point in searching other elements, right? So I can move the ith row, right? Here I equal to 0, I equal to 1, and I will gonna move directly to I equal to 2, right? So I can say if my 5 is greater than 3, then move to I plus plus. So I will say I plus plus. So my I came here now. So now I can see my 5 is less than 6, right?
Yeah.
If it is a less than 6, then search through other elements. So I will gonna write now 0 1 2. So decrease my j. So I will decrease my j. My j is here and I is here. I am starting from the last element, right? 2 comma 0. I am starting from 2 comma 0 element. So I am traversing from the last, and I am saying like this element is 3, and similarly here I am saying 1, which is 6. So 6 is greater than 5, then what I am doing, I am decreasing j minus minus, and here I am increasing I plus plus, right? So this is the approach we are following. I am saying if my element 3 is less than 5, right? So I am increasing, means increasing the row. If my element is lesser, then decreasing the column, correct? So this approach will give us traversing the row and column only. So let's discuss the, means what I am saying is if my x is less than, if
Y.
if first condition is I plus plus, if my x is greater than mat of I and mat of I comma j. So what I am saying, if it is greater, then increase the row, else if it is a lesser, x is lesser, mat of I ij, then decrease the column, otherwise else return true. Why return true now here? Why? Because if we'll decrease the column or increase the row, we will find out the R element. If this fourth condition will run, the third condition will be always our element only, right? Otherwise, if all these condition not working, then after the loop, write directly return false. So this approach will give us the time complexity of expected as O of n plus n, and space complexity for this big O of 1 only. We not use any extra space. So now let's understand in code approach as well. So I wanna declare the size of the matrix. Now what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna searching the element type. So I'm saying traversing from. So what I did here is I'm running from for condition. If I'm saying if my x is greater than mat of I, so I need to declare the element as well now, right? Integers. So I'll declare my int I equal to 0 and j equal to last element, right? I'm starting from the row first and last column, so it will be m minus 1, and I'll say the condition here while I less than n and j should be greater than equals to 0. Up to that only I will run around the loop. So if my x is greater than mat of I j, then do the I plus plus, else if my x is less than mat of ij, then decrease the column, else return true, otherwise return false. So are you guys like clear with the code approach what I'm trying to do? So this got submitted as well. So any doubts so far in this code and search in 2D matrix?